All right, everybody. Good afternoon. Vice Forecaster JD Rapp with you in the Breaking Weather Center. Um, Today is Wednesday, April 7th, 2021, and I'm taping this at 12:47 p.m. We have a severe thunderstorm watch. Has just been issued for parts of Missouri, and that includes parts kind of close to St. Louis area, where storms are going to fire up later this afternoon. We definitely have to watch this area. The main threat's going to be damaging straight line winds up to 70 miles an hour. I won't roll out a tornado or two. We would have to really watch that in place. This watch goes through 7 p.m. and uh, that's hail this morning. I mean, we had several reports of hail this morning that developed. So here what we got, and this is a new watch, and this is not PDS, but it is close. Folks, this is close to a PDS because I'll tell you why. It's not a PDS, but see, if this was all in high, this would have been a PDS watch. But what's concerning me is we do have a watch that includes Arkansas. This goes for 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. And you can see it says tornadoes are high. But see, EF2 is moderate. If that was high, this would have been a PDS watch. So definitely pay attention today. We can see a couple tornadoes, widespread winds up to 70 miles per hour, hail large up to 2 inches in diameter. So we could have a couple instances where we can see some strong damaging straight line winds with some independent tornadoes that could be strong at times. So definitely just pay attention and we'll get through this okay. And here's our latest outlook from the SPC Storm Prediction Center. Is why I kind of included in Illinois a little bit. It's because we got parts of Southern Illinois, like parts of close to Harrisburg, in this basically low threat of severe thunderstorms. Once it gets past the Mississippi River, I think we will be okay. This line should weak. But there is that chance. Anybody in this yellow color, Sykeston, parts of Scott County, maybe parts of Carter County, just naming some others here I know. Dunklin, parts of Graves County down here. Your guys are in the threat. And here's our tornado risk. Sorry about that. It's in the 5%. That's where you can see tornadoes in 25 miles a point. I'm not thinking about a tornado outbreak this time, but I do think we could see some damage in straight line winds with this. And the huge tornado threat is going to stay down in Louisiana. Not, I can say we could see a tornado around here. I just do think it'll be a little more smaller than what we have here. So I'm not completely a row out ever for anybody. Damage and wind gusts is going to be a little more higher. The wind damage I'm a little more concerned about is because we already got winds blowing out there. I don't know what the winds are blowing. Let me check my phone here and that'll tell me. Just give me a second. I'll check my area. Yeah, McLeansboro, Illinois, showing southwest winds around 15 miles an hour. So that's getting stronger winds. And I do think we'll start seeing storms later this evening that could go on. And this should be out by midnight tonight. So we could have some stronger thunderstorms developing. And the hail doesn't look like a huge threat, but I still have it in 15%. That's still pretty high for hail. And there's more chances of storm Friday. Here's day 2 outlook. It covers Minneapolis, Ohio, Atlanta, Georgia down here. The tornado threat is very low, but I'm not going to completely rule it out. So we would continue to keep you updated on that. I would just want to update everybody on the watch so that way you know what's kind of going on. So just hold tight just for a second. I am going to go down here. I know a lot of people are joining in. We'll do update here on my stream in a second. I'm just going to go to my the radar and just see if I can see anything developing yet. Might be kind of early, and let's just be a good example right here to put in park right here. Give me a little time. Pull that up. Okay, here we go, folks. And you can see this line of thunderstorms out here is starting to move in, that little line. That's what we have to watch later if these storms could get severe. We have plenty of cape, sunshine in here that's going to heat the surface up, and that's what's going to cause these storms to get going. So no warnings in place yet, but I'm still watching it really closely. It's not going to take that much. I'll switch for hail, maybe a little. But I'm kind of watching for spinning. That's what we have to watch today if we can get a spin up tornado. But we will continue to keep you updated. And these storms will be a few hours away, so just charge your devices up just in case you will lose power. And we will keep you updated on the latest information.